Facebook.com. Imagine you are a 19-year-old college freshman and between classes, you start an internet social networking website. Now imagine that 3 years later, when you are only 22, Google offers you $1 billion to buy your site. Would you turn it down? Not likely. But Mark Zuckerberg did just that because he thought his brainchild, Facebook.com, was worth a lot more than $1 billion. A year after Google's offer, it looks like Zuckerberg was right. Forbes magazine estimates Facebook is worth $7 to $10 billion in 2007 and possibly much more in the years ahead. From a bright idea to $10 billion in 3 years boggles the mind, doesn't it? Zuckerberg is just one more example of how lucrative intellectual capital has become in capitalism 3.0, the age of the internet. But in Zuckerberg's case, the thing that makes his intellectual capital so valuable is the oldest, most basic kind of capital of all, contact capital. Facebook.com and other social networking sites are alloys, bonding together the internet and the real world.